Thakur. Today I am telling you how to solve exponent questions. So here says simplify the expression and eliminate any negative exponents. So here I took this question y upon 5 x to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 3. So here we know that a to the power negative n, so we can write 1 upon a to the power n, means if negative power, so we can write like this, okay, or if 1 upon a to the power negative n, so we can make positive power, so here a to the power n. So here we apply this rule. Now first solve parenthesis, and here this is negative power x to the power minus 2. So we have to make this positive power. We have to convert into positive power first. Here negative 3 write as it is, first solve parenthesis. So here y, and here negative power, so it will go upside in numerator. So here x to the power minus 2 goes on top, so x to the power 2, it become positive. Now here 5, and we have to write in alphabetical order, it's a good way. So we can write x square y upon 5. So I will write into next step, and do you know this, like a upon b to the power negative n. So this negative power we have to convert into positive power, so that time b upon a to the power n. Okay, so this is the law of exponent. So here we have to apply this. Now negative 3 convert into positive 3, and this just reciprocal. So 5 upon x square y. Okay, and now everything will be power 3. So 5 to the power 3 upon x to the power 2 to the power 3 and y to the power 3. Now 5 to the power 3 is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125, and x to the power, here power to the power multiply, so 2 times 3 6, and y to the power 3. So this is our answer. Our question was y upon 5x to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 3, and its answer is 125 upon x to the power 6 y to the power 3. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, now I am taking another question, same type of, here negative power, so we have to convert into positive, but first we do solve parenthesis. So here negative 3 power write as it is, here 2, and here a to the power negative, so we have to convert this power into positive power, so it goes down here, and this a, and here already a square, so a square, and this a 1, so 1 plus 2, which is 3, and here b, and here b to the power negative 3, so this is negative, we have to convert into positive power, so it goes up, and here 3b and here 1b, which makes 4b, so b to the power 4. Okay, now we already solved parenthesis. Now we can convert this negative power to the positive power. So we can flip, numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. So a to the power 3 upon 2b to the power 4. Now everything will be cubed. So a to the power 3 to the power 3, which is 9, and 2 to the power 3, which is 8, b to the power 4 to the power 3, which is 12. 4 times 3, 12. And this is the answer. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime. I will help you, definitely help you. Okay, bye. Have a nice time.